Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Listen to English podcast. This podcast is for A1 learners. Today, we will talk about a very useful topic, shopping at a market. Let's get started.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, I'd like some apples, please.
Sure. How many apples do you want?
6 apples, please.
Okay, 6 apples. Anything else?
Yes, I also need some tomatoes.
How many tomatoes?
1 kilo, please.
Great. 1 kilo of tomatoes. Do you need anything else?
Yes, how much are the bananas?
They are $2 a kilo.
Okay, I'll take 1 kilo of bananas.
Perfect. So 6 apples, 1 kilo of tomatoes, and 1 kilo of bananas.
Yes, thank you. How much is it?
It's $5 in total.
Here you are.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
In markets, we often use polite questions like, "Can I have?" or "How much is?" It's also common to use numbers and weights, 1 kilo, 6 apples, etc. Here are some useful words and phrases from today's podcast.
Can I have?
A polite way to ask for something.
Can I have some bread, please?
How much is?
To ask about the price.
How much is this shirt?
Kilo.
A way to measure food.
I'd like 2 kilos of rice.
Anything else?
A question to ask if someone wants more.
Do you need anything else?
Here you are.
Phrase used when giving something to someone.
Here you are. This is your coffee.
Great job today! We practiced shopping at a market, learned how to ask for things, and practiced some useful phrases like, "Can I have?" and "How much is?" Now it's your turn. What do you usually buy at the market? Write your answer in the comments. Thank you for listening to Listen to English podcast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next episode.